There you go. Straightforward shawarma spice mix. Very, very easy. Very fragrant spice mix to be used on your meats. There you go. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, shawarma spice mix. We all love a shawarma, whether it be chicken or lamb or whatever. Okay, and you know, the spice combination is of choice really, but you know, I've got all the spices laid out here. Okay, now the only ingredient that I would say is optional is sumac. Now sumac has been introduced into a shawarma spice mix just to give that sour element, and it saves it using limes or lemons or anything like that. It's already in. So in the ingredients there will be a full list. Sumac will be listed as optional. Okay, how do you make it? You take all your spices, you take a bowl and you dump the whole lot in there. Now I'm not spinning this out doing every individual spice, they're all in there. Give them a mix. Nice and straightforward. Wow, what a fantastic smell. There you go. Shove it in a bag, put a silicone gel sachet in there, and that will keep. There you go, that's shelf stable. That is shawarma spice mix. Easy. There you go. Straightforward shawarma spice mix. Very, very easy. Very fragrant spice mix to be used on your meats. There you go.